Three factors that have affected the process of economic globalization. Number one is improvement in transportation and communication technology. So ang pasabot na kay natay kanang better access sa tech, mapadali ang ato ang transportation and communication by using internet or phones, and transportation is magamit na tao planes and ships. So number two, taste the individuals and societies have generally but not universally favored taking advantage of the opportunity provided with clean costs. So pasabutan na ay people want to connect. Most folks, the idea of linking up with other globally, so they're more open to working together, kanang teamwork ba, instead of staying separate. So number three, kay government shape how countries connect, like mga rules, policies made by the government affect how ang apekto ani kay para nga to ang countries mag-work together. Next is globalization isn't possible to occur without media, like electronic media, radio and television, digital media. Kana siya ay money sila ang nagalaw sa mga opportunities and mga important natong buhaton. For example, radio and television nag-provide na nato og access nga makita ta sa mga information without physical something to get some information. Nya kaning digital media through phones nata or computers nga kung ganata magkuha information dalera nya no hassle and inconvenient.